Welcome to Help Desk Migration channel. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to import contacts to Jira Service Management. First of all, you must have the public sign-up setting enabled. To do so, log in as a user with the Jira Administrator's global permission. At the upper right corner, click on the settings and from the menu select Products. Then hit the Configuration and find the Customer Permissions section and enable the setting. Then you or a Service Desk project administrator can open a service desk at the project level. To do so, go to the Projects tab and click on the project where you want to migrate the data to. On the left sidebar, choose Project Settings, followed by Customer Permissions. Under Service Project Access, select Anyone on the Web and hit Save. Once you have enabled these settings, go to the Migration Wizard and set up the migration to Jira Service Management to easily migrate your contacts. And that's it for today. If something wasn't clear enough or you'd like to get into more details, feel free to browse our Help Center or contact our support team for help. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest data migration tutorials, news about customer service, and more. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you next time.